My dear friends and colleagues, it gives a great opportunity to invite you all for a very exciting program which we all designed for all of us to learn from each other. This is Dr. Naveen Polavarapu. I'm a senior consultant gastroenterologist and transplant hepatologist at Yashoda hospitals. So on 24th of March, we have designed a program called GAPS, Bridge the Gaps, which means it is a program for the Gastroenterology and Physicians and Surgeons Association, which we will discuss about more practical aspects about how to deal with the gastrointestinal problems in your care, and when these patients are getting difficult to be managed, then one can be referred to a higher center. So it is a great opportunity to learn with each other about how to deal with these common practical problems. 1.0 theme will be on the liver diseases. So I would like to invite you all for this great opportunity, and it would be exciting to see all of you in this program. So see you soon on the 24th March at the Yashoda Hitec City Auditorium.